In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot's CRM system effortlessly. Whether you're brand new to HubSpot or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the basic steps to manage your contacts seamlessly. So, let's get started. First up, we're heading over to the trial guide. You can find this by navigating to your browser and opening up the HubSpot trial guide link. This will serve as our starting point for accessing the sales hubs and tools you'll use. Think of this as your home base from which all activities begin. Once you're on the trial guide page, the next thing you're going to do is click on the CRM tab. This stands for Customer Relationship Management, and it's where you'll have access to all your sales data, customer contact details, and business interactions. It's a powerful tool for streamlining communication and improving your customer management efficiency. With CRM open, your next step is to click on Contacts. Here, HubSpot allows you to access your contact list, giving you comprehensive details about each individual and organization you interact with. This is crucial for maintaining strong and personalized relationships with your clients. Navigating through your contacts efficiently can significantly enhance how you prioritize communications and follow-ups. Next, you need to click on Import. This feature is especially beneficial if you're transferring information from another platform or you have a comprehensive database of contacts you'd like to bring into HubSpot. Importing contacts helps keep all your data centralized, so you can easily manage it all in one place. Plus, it's a huge time saver when getting started. On the import page, you'll then click on Import Data. Selecting this option lays the foundation for the full integration of your contact lists. HubSpot makes it straightforward by allowing you to upload via Excel, CSV files, and more. Ensuring all your data is in a compatible format can smooth out the process and reduce any issues that might arise. Finally, the last click is on Contacts, Companies, and other CRM data. This option signifies the kind of data you plan to import, making sure everything aligns correctly, and it integrates seamlessly into your existing records within HubSpot. Tailoring your import settings here ensures fewer overlaps and discrepancies in your CRM. And there you have it. That's how you navigate through HubSpot to manage your contacts. Each step plays a crucial role in setting up an organized and efficient CRM system for your business. By following these instructions, you're setting yourself up for success in fostering strong and meaningful customer relationships. Thank you for watching, and happy managing.